Hello and welcome to Enforce Tech TV, the digital version of Enforce Tech. I'm at Snigel and Bjorn is with me. Bjorn, nice to meet you again.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
So you got a lot of new products here and we focus on one specific customer thing that you had to produce, and this is the Atlas system.
Yes, so the Atlas system is a customer-specific project of ours. So this project was with the European Counter-Terrorist Unit and a partner. And we wanted to make them to be able to design their own system. So the base is our squiz system, a vest, a ballistic vest.
Which we showed last year.
From last year, correct. And they wanted to have a lighter solution. They wanted to have very specific ballistic designs. So we provided a whole ballistic system. We provided a life preserver, we provided a plate carrier, and we provided different carrying solutions to clip on the back, depending on what the operator wanted to use.
So you also designed the ballistic itself. It's not only the cover, it's also...
Correct. So together with our ballistic partners, we did some specific requirements of what they should protect against. And a new thing for the customer was the plate was flexible. So it would move if you're male or female, it would tailor to your body well. And if you're sitting in a vehicle or doing like moving stuff, a flexible plate is very good for comfort.
So it's not some kind of ceramic block, it's like...
It's like like scales.
Yeah, so smaller parts inside.
Exactly. Yeah. And that was very interesting. And then, of course, depending on the usage and the threat, you could have just a plate carrier, you could have the whole ballistic vest system, or you could just have the ballistic vest separate.
Yeah, so this is now the high threat configuration with everything.
This is with everything on. Of course, you don't have the life preserver here, and we don't have the different backpacks that goes on. If you have perhaps medical or mission-specific or operator-specific equipment that you want to bring along.
Yeah. How come that they don't want to have some kind of system which is zipped on? Do they want to access everything by themselves?
Yeah.
Or?
So we work with the Herma buckle. So you see the Herma buckle down here.
Yeah.
And with our system, the operator themselves can clip it off and have easy access.
Bring it to the front, yeah.
So, of course, if you have a body, you could just strip on the back. But if you don't have and you need to access yourself, then a zipper is a no-go.
Yeah, I really feel that this is something which will be more common in with every producer in that tactical
and we
community.
can see just last year, we can see industry friends doing kind of the same thing, having a clip-on that you can swing around because it's just a very, very good user experience.
And also it's easier if you work with vehicles, you can easily bring it to the front, go inside the car, and then you don't need anyone to zip on your stuff.
So that's very good.
Yeah. So, and how come, if you can talk about this, about the requirement, how come that they want a different shape? Not only the flexible system from the ballistics, but the shape of the whole system.
Yeah, so the shape is used for you, if you have protection everywhere, of course, that's very good. But perhaps your range of motion when moving, when climbing, when doing stuff, that could be like a trade-off. So finding that sweet spot for the operator is very good. And then, of course, depending on the ballistic threat that you're facing, you have to tailor to your specific needs.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Do you have anything else to tell about the Atlas system?
No, I think that's the broad strokes of the Atlas system.
But I think Arctic is coming and we need some special things for this.
Yeah, we do have a special thing as well. So since the Arctic and subarctic winter environment is very important, and in the high north that Sweden operates in, we have, of course, the same requirements as every other armed forces. And that is to have your digital maps, your ATACs, that kind of thing using. And what we have done is you have your ATAC solution and your tactical IT battle management system, what you have, but you don't like snow and ice on the screen, and you want the battery not just to die on you. So this is a EUD pouch, end user device pouch. So your ATAC solution rides up here. And then you have compartments for your heat management. So like your battery and your thermal solution. And then you have cutaway corners for cable management. And this is a very important thing to have when you're up in the Arctic. And when it's summer all time, that's not very important. Then you can have just your clip-on as is.
I really like that it's just like the plate carrier with the pals. So you can put in whatever you have.
Yeah.
So that's
that is something. And of course, these comes in different sizes depending on the inch of the screen that the operator uses. So this would be like on a lowest tactical level, perhaps a platoon or group or squad. And then you can get up to around 12-inch kind of.
So some kind of tablet already,
yeah,
a small
you could
tablet.
go from like phone to tablet. And then of course, it's vehicle-borne or something like that.
Very interesting.
Yeah, that's it.
Do we have any lookout products which you can talk about? So something new which is going
perhaps the shift of the half of the year, we will have some news that we'll be showcasing at Dalo. And then for M4Tech 2027, we have some news as well for you.
We are very excited to see that. Björn, thank you very much for showing up the new stuff. For you outside, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for new videos from M4Tech. We are out and have a look what's going on here else. Goodbye.